Well, welcome to Winter Field Day 2023.
I have a 20, 40, and 80 meter dipole.
Go for it, man.
This is putting up a 20 meter, 10 meter fan
Well, they don't even require anything. Fox hunt.
You're an ass.
No, I'm just following you guys. Shh. Nobody knows where it's at. Little fox hunt transmitter. Field day surprise. By yours truly.
We gotta wait till it kicks off.
Yeah, I should have made a shorter timer on it. That's what it was originally.
Yeah, I should have made a shorter timer on it.
So what are we doing, guys? What do we got going on?
We got some butthead trying to...
There's a surprise in the box.
I got a surprise for you.
Yeah? What kind of surprise do you got for me, Leroy?
If the camera wasn't on, I'd show you what I have for you. But...
Here we are. They have no idea where it's at. I'm gonna tell them it might be in a tree. Shh. Alright, here we go. So, we have two teams going. We have John, KC7, MRY, his friend up there. We have Leroy and WA3 FME. Then we also got Rob coming up in the back. He's looking. And then we got a couple chilling out here on the bench. Still, nothing yet.
I haven't done acting on this,
Yeah, I never thought. You guys ever look up? I don't know, just thinking. I mean, some person, you know, they could have put it anywhere. Up, down, left, right, in a tree. I don't know. Let's go up here and check in with John, see how he's doing. It's a nice barn, ain't it?
You can hide it in such a manner that bounces your signal off, so they'll like to fool with you.
Found anything yet?
Not yet. We're looking.
Still looking.
Yes, sir.
It's a nice barn.
Yes, it is.
Man, that is a nice barn.
I just saw when I went
When you get nothing like this, that means you're blocking the signal, right? I think Leroy found it. Did Leroy find it?
What you doing, Leroy?
I saw that shit-eating grin on his face.
What's that?
That's the transmitter box.
That's an ammo box. You gonna make him climb under to get that?
He found it. You found it. It's all yours, man. Open it up.
All right, come here a sec. Well, what do we got? Who's taking claim to it?
These two.
He found it.
We found it together. Go
Found
ahead.
it together.
Tell me your name.
Fred, I'll take the risk of opening it. It might be a bomb pro, we know.
Hey, check that out. What do we got inside?
A cheap Chinese radio.
The radio doesn't count.
Oh,
You won.
sweet. Hey,
There you
thank
go.
you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So I gotta ask.
Congratulations.
I do gotta ask though, what for hardware do you have to actually do the transmit part of it?
Another QRV station in there. Try it one more time.
Alright, so hold this, and then when I say go, press the button and say Whiskey 3 Alpha Charlie Hotel.
November
You remember
Echo 4 Echo. Is that correct? Okay, I got your 1 Oscar, North Carolina, your 2 Indiana, 2 Indiana.
Okay, go ahead. You gotta press the button. No. See that big button here? It's
it's on top.
No,
No,
sorry.
it's on the side. Okay.
Yeah, his fingers just went. There you go. Alright, hold on. Oh, I switched to that one. Roger. Please copy. Say, go ahead. 4 Oscar. You gotta press it.
That's the button.
4 Oscar, Whiskey Papa Alpha.
Was that 3 Oscar Whiskey Papa Alpha QSL?
Say 4 Oscar. Go ahead.
Was the section Whiskey Papa Alpha QSL?
Roger.
Okay. Thanks for the contact and good luck in the contest today.
Say 73. 73. There you go. You just.
Yeah, he is.
Thank you so much. 73. Please over. CQ, this is Kilo Tango 9 Kilo.
Go ahead.
The Whiskey 3 station. Say again.
Go ahead. Press it.
Whiskey 3 Alpha Charlie Hotel. Please copy 4 India and India November.
Go ahead.
Whiskey 3 Alpha Charlie Hotel. Please copy 4 India and India November.
Say Roger.
So what is your classification, ma'am?
Say it again.
You're not wrong.
Papa Alpha.
I have Whiskey 3 Alpha Charlie Hotel. Is that right?
Roger.
Alright, and your cost is what?
Say 4 Oscar. Whiskey Papa Alpha.
Very good, Victor. And your second. Which state are you in, please?
Say Pennsylvania Papa Alpha.
You're in Eastern Pennsylvania?
Western.
Alright, I copy Whiskey 3 Alpha Charlie Hotel.
I say Western Pennsylvania.
Western Pennsylvania.
Thank you so much. 73.
73.
73.
There you go.
Over here.
They'll have it.
They're gonna count the things for the chili.
They'll have it.
All right.
Are you kidding?
So here at Winterfield Day, we got a whole group of people around us. We have the official chili cook-off to go through. Let's take a look. We have Mr. Leroy's. Oh, that looks good. Then we have Sierra and Kate's. That looks even good too. So at the start of this, I give everyone 5 beads if they were a guest, 10 if they were a member. Let's see how they did. Okay, that's Leroy's. Uh-oh. Leroy's in trouble.
I can see that from here.
Yeah, Leroy's in trouble. Okay, here we have it. We'll go out here. So we have the 2 entries to the chili cook-off.
Oh, this is what it is.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, so you're all worried about it.
I swing low.
Okay, so the competition was with Leroy and Bonnie. Bonnie's not here. She don't like coming up. Sorry, Bonnie. Okay.
She didn't want to hang out with her husband all weekend.
Of course not. Then we also had Cade and Sierra. So by unanimous decision on the cups in there, and I can show you the cups. It was a difference. Unfortunately,
Congratulations.
for you, congratulations.
Unfortunately.
You guys won. Unfortunately, I was looking at Leroy.
Oh, all right.
Let's try that again. We congratulate,
And the winner is...
and the winner is
Not
Cade
Leroy.
and Sierra. Congratulations. Enjoy. They won a $20 gift card down to New Texas Lunch. Okay, so I just completed the last of the Winterfield Day activities. Had to get the wood stove down, and you can see it's definitely getting dark out here. But here's where we set up. 24 hours ago, we were operating radios out of this, and it was a blast. We had over 100 contacts. Logs have been submitted. Everything's all cleaned up. The ground crew is quite pleased with how we closed everything back up. And we'll take a look down the line. Some of you might be familiar. This is the home of where the CVARC W3ACH Hamfest is. So overall, great success. I want to thank each and every single one of you guys that came out, operated, set up, put effort into it. We had a chili cook-off, which was really good chili. Just excellent fun time. Many different radios. We didn't even break out the club radios. People are that excited about it. So anyways, I'll keep it short. Appreciate you all for watching the video and joining us on this adventure, and we'll have many more things to come this year. So I'll say 7 threes. Thank you for watching Jim's Spare Parts. We'll see you later. I want to also thank the Cumberland Valley Steam and Engine Machinery Association for allowing us to have use of the grounds, and look forward to many more out here. Thank you guys very much.